Good morning, everyone. This is our project group, and my name is Mohammad Anwaruddin. My roll number is 69.
My name is Paresh Ananta Apraj. My roll number is 71.
My name is Chetan Dangar. My roll number is 70. Thank you.
Welcome to a new video. In this video, we are discussing about a smart parking system. This is our PBL topic. In this video, we are students of NMIT Talegaon, Pune. The structure of the video is divided into 6 parts: introduction, system requirement and specifications, implementation, result and discuss, testing and conclusion, and a future scope of our project. Now let's start with introduction. The project entitled Smart Parking System aims to manage all the parking facilities to an user. The aim of the project is reducing traffic jams, pollutions, and less availability of roads and spots to park a vehicle. It will provide the precious vacant positions of a parking slot, the helping drivers and the environment. In simple words, the project is creating an application that helps the user to park the vehicle in a specific location or any location, and searching a parking location in a nearby their place, and parking their vehicle in a efficient manner.
Greetings, everyone. My name is Mohammad Anwaruddin, and I'm going to explain my project named is Smart Vehicle Parking System, and I'm going to explain our problem statement. As we can all see surrounding condition, there are many high density of vehicles on the roadside. That results such an annoying issue for the users or drivers to find the parking slots, and especially in festive seasons or peak hours, people also fail to find the empty parking slots. So our problem statement is that to make such a software which helps the user to find the parking slot effectively without wasting their time and effort.
Hello everyone. We discussed the system requirement specification. There are 2 requirements: functional and non-functional. In functional requirement, if the application is running in background long time, then it will be stopped. In non-functional, product requirements and organizational requirements. Now we discuss implementation details of our project. First, driver opens the application. Next, parking slot. Next, make the according to the parking time. After that, user ID, parking time, payment information, it will send their app. After that, all the store in a cloud database. Next, slot allocate to according to their driver cars, the car in slot. After that, notification to driver for their slot. And next, driver removes the car if the time is over, and next, car leaves the parking area.
Here some of the steps driver has to follow to park in the parking slots. First one is driver has to install our smart parking application in his mobile, and second one is once he successfully logged into mobile application, he would see parking architecture with filled or empty vehicles. Third one is when the user is near the parking slots or parking area, our RFID detect its vehicle and displayed it by the appropriate message whether the parking slot empty or not, and after that on every successfully parking or unparking, user will be delivered with a successful message or confirmation message.
Now we are discussing about how our application is executing all the tasks. First task is parking a vehicle. Once when the user enters the parking slot, the sensor he would receive a parking slot number on his mobile application, which he is supposed to park his vehicle. Upon parking the vehicle in the respective slot, and the IR sensor successfully detecting the vehicle and collecting that information and store in a database, and this information is shown on the our application and calculating all the prices of the cost and parking charges. This is the parking vehicle. Unparking your vehicle. Unparking your vehicle from the parking slot will pop a notification on your application, and it calculates the starting time and the ending time of the user has parked his vehicle, the parking slot, and a small amount which the user needs to pay when the parking slot leaves parking car vehicle leaves the parking zone, which is fixed for any duration. No available parking slots. In a situation when all the parking slots are filled and a new vehicle comes near to the vehicle, the sensor is detecting that vehicle and pop the message to the application that this space is already filled and there is no empty space, and searching the other parking spot and displaying on the application. The future scope. The future scope of our project is smart parking system that parks a vehicle in a smart way and efficient way. Several cities around the world are already beginning to trial self parkings, specialized AV parking lots and robotics parking valence. This project can enhance for tracking vehicle speed on the roads, also for the driverless parking, and developing a smart parking solution within a city solves a pollution problem. To find a parking slot, this project is enhanced in that sector. Addition of a machine learning to store various other information like the color of the vehicle, the number plate of the vehicle, and the design, and which car is entered in a parking lot. This is also can stored in a database, and this is the future scope of our project.
Here we conclude that our project is intended to make the quality life of the metropolitan folks.